I need a comfortable office chair. I've been sitting in a chair that is not good for me for too long, and I've been feeling it. I've been feeling it in my neck and in my back, and it is time. And I have to say, this sit well, work better is music to my ears. Hopefully it lives up to the slogan. From the reviews on this chair, I'm confident it will, and I am so excited to open this up with you. So I'm gonna open it up, show you how it goes together, and then we'll go over it. Let's power through all these pieces, probably for the leg. Very solid headrest. This is extremely heavy. It is clearly the base of the seat, the base of the whole chair. Everything so far has been very well built. The back of the chair has the arms attached, the seat cushion itself, and then we have the instructions and the rest of the hardware. In here we have the main piston to have it go up and down, all the casters. Excellent little toolkit here. I have the screws that are clearly labeled for mechanism, for headrest, for backrest, and I have a 5mm and a 4mm hex wrench. That's pretty great. They have a warranty, they have an authenticity confirmation, and the manual. Let's put it together. Okay, first step, insert the casters. Piston, telescoping cover goes over the top. Now I need to connect this heavy-duty mechanism to the base of the seat. Normally I would get my power tools, but it's not that many screws, and might as well see what it's like with this. Works pretty well. All in. I will cut this off, but after I make sure it all goes together correctly. For the next part, it recommends that I prop this up on a box. Now it wants me to put these screws in by going from side to side, corner to corner. So in the end it tightens evenly. Okay, that's on. Next step is to just put it on top. Check it out, it's on. Now to attach the headrest, it has 2 screws already in there. I need to loosen those up so this opens up. And at this point, you do not need to add the headrest, but I'm going to. Snaps right into place. So now I'm tightening that up. Okay, so now I have it all put together. There are a lot of options here. First off, this headrest can just move up and down like this. It also has these push buttons, so I can make it go way up and down. If I wanted the most extreme way, I could go all the way up here and have it way up there. So I can choose where I want it to be on the chair. The armrest comes down into place, and then I can control shorter or longer, depending on what I want, and depending on what fits my desk. So good. So now I can tilt back. It's super comfortable. That's so cool. If I don't want it to tilt back, I can push this in, and now it's locked. Now it will not tilt back. So if I just want to be able to lean back without it tilting, that works too. And if I need to adjust the height, that's as tall as it gets. That's really quite tall. I am 5'11", and my feet, if I'm just holding up, are not touching the floor. So that's too tall for me. And then let's see how far down it goes. And if I put it all the way down, it is a little short for me. I would not have it this low. Overall, I am very impressed with this chair. I can't wait to set it up at my desk. I love the arms. I love that I can push them out of the way a little bit, or fold them all the way up out of the way if I need to. This headrest is so customizable and remarkably comfortable. I love the tilt feature, and it has quite a range of heights. An impressive chair, solid made. I'm really happy with it.